VDR vlog number 4.
All you need is rubbing alcohol.
It's
In a quarter mile, turn right.
my Microcenter purchases here. We have the Antec Advanced accent lighting, of course the blue one. This is the first dedicated LEDs that I've ever actually bought. Inland all-in-one internal card reader with USB 2.0.
Quality.
Revolutionary. And I got this purely because I just got a Nikon S9700 and it has an SD card.
And it was like $10.
I finally bit the bullet after almost 3 years now and bought an SD card reader. And then I have a big can of
Quote unquote
air,
big.
which is 16 ounces and actually has some hefty weight to it. And according to this indicator here, it is definitely full. And then the final things I bought were
Always a
balls.
standard buy. Always a standard buy.
Of course, the root beer flavor of balls, and then the balls flavored balls.
The balls flavored balls.
And we've concluded today that in order to enjoy balls, you must either be a geek, a hardcore gamer, or a furry. And I think we fit in the geek category. Heading out to Dillon's house. Got our 2 dozen donuts. They're very hot, and they taste very good. Here's a close-up.
What are you doing?
Vlogging.
Vlog part 1. In time, I'm going to take this Phillips head screwdriver, then formally dismount this fan from the H80, therefore allowing us to clean the H80 radiator, and then putting the fans in a push-pull configuration from the outside instead of the inside. Much more efficient that way.
Do it. Look at the dust here in the radiator.
Yeah, dust.
It's not the worst, but it could be cleaner, and it is about to be.
Very much cleaner.
Thanks to spending money on something that is naturally absolutely everywhere, but except high pressured and in a can. Now, we spray. Of course, you know when the can gets cold, you're supposed to wait until it warms up again.
Not cold yet, but I smell the input signal. Can is forming ice crystals, therefore we shall wait a few minutes.
Here we go.
Dirt, 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 dirt.
About to remove the block.
As soon as I get that finger. Alright, cool. Nice and dry. Yeah.
Remove the retention bracket with this, and here's where the magic happens.
Haha! You got me.
And now, it must be alcoholed.
Because America.
Now we do a dramatic focus effect thing again. That really didn't work at all. Okay, good enough. Yeah. What else did I create?
Where's the water block? Here's the water block.
Where's the water block? The water block. Look at this detail.
I'm gonna put the trash can right here.
Starting to show signs of life.
As if there wasn't life before. Dedicated viewers of VDR, not my
And
channel.
I get a few hundred views. I'd rather get a few hundred people that actually care about my vlogs and stuff than my almost 4,000 like boring subscribers.
That's not what it says.
Oh, I got that one.
Got it. Stop. That's about pea size, but you know.
That's good. You stretch it out along it. Yeah. Decent.
Oh, here you go, here you go, here you go.
I'll use the screwdriver to just set them on there because it's more precise. And it's smaller than my fingers.
Whatever you do, hurry up because this thing's slipping around.
You don't have to do the corners and it's easy to let go of. Just like a little hold it. LED has been installed, so now we can turn it on. And the interior lights up. Of course it's slightly brighter in person, but you can see here that everything is lit up, and from a distance it looks cool. There's also of course the LEDs on the front and everything else. So now if we just turn the lights back on, just take a really close look here. That's everything. These side panel fans are not plugged in yet. But that's that. Everything seems to be working.
In proper order?
This is now.
Yeah, I gotta figure out.
Just vibrating.
That may or may not be the fan.
We'll figure it out. But yeah, this is an intake now, as it's supposed to be, and these now blow the air out. So we're gonna solve this vibration issue and then install mine. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Here's my HDI. It's kind of sad. Okay, so now that the Vortec PC has been removed from where it goes, I can now open the side panel.
Which was actually
There's the fan of God here. Sorry, and this is the heatsink of God. Anyway, that's enough nerdgasming over that. So what I have to do now is remove. Or I think I have a 3.5-inch adapter somewhere. If not, this will be a fun time of. This thing just come off.
dusty.
Not like if you turned off the light, that would not look bad at all. It's purely because it's in the light. I guess I might as well just
Quick run over.
probably just made it worse, but
Whatever.
okay. So I just plugged in the card reader. Right.
Nice.
Nice. Okay, so the card reader's plugged in right here. You got my USB 3 header. I think that's plugged back in. Yeah. And then I had this right here is one of my front panel USB 2 things. And that was plugged in right here, but this was not long enough, so I had to move that over there. And so I had to use this tool here, which I do not know what it is called, or anything like that. I gotta get to focus. And basically, even though it will not focus at all, you push this and this little claw thing comes out. I'll try to add in a focused clip, maybe, where you can see what it does. Anyway, I used that and a screwdriver to push it in all the way. It worked out pretty well. Okay, so this is kind of an added benefit. So this card reader in here actually is reseated a little bit because of the adapter that comes with the half 932 Advanced. And so what I can actually do is when I'm not using it, I can just put this back in and it's basically invisible, which is nice because I don't need all of these connectors, because really the only reason I even need this is an SD card slot. None of this other stuff I'll ever use. So I can just cover it up when I don't need it, because I almost never need it. Okay, so you can see here the complicated setup. We have this plugged into the battery bank so I can see what they look like.
Too much complication.
Oh yeah. So we're going to just slide this up in here. gotta go over the screw. That's what I've been doing wrong. Turn this off. Okay, so
Would use again.
this is going to go right about here. Not like that. Not like that. But like this. And then
At this point, you could probably just tape it up there. Oh, or you could leave it like that.
no, because it's not straight down at all.
Okay.
It's actually pointing off to the side. That's why it's kind of dark.
Nice.
But now we're going to turn this on at the same time. Because my logic is that if I shine more light at it, it'll be less blind. So only half of it or so. Okay, that's not even. Probably should have pushed it over this first. You know what? We're gonna wing it.
Oh, there we go. Wing it.
This is not gonna come off my fingers, so I gotta put it somewhere. Alright. That's where it's staying for now. Wait a minute. It appears as though the entire sticky material has come off on the strip. Wow. So what we'll need to do is just see how it sits up there by itself, and then maybe tape it. That's pretty good.
Dear Antec.
Antec? Now you know I don't use your power supplies. Because Corsair is my child. But not really, because that's like my only Corsair product in here. Except the fan that's right next to
It's
it.
okay, I love your HCP line of PSUs, Antec.
Dillon and I are different breeds of human.
No, not really.
A tool bag of things. I found this, which does fit in the fan. And then I found this, which fits on top of that. And then I found this, which fits on top of this.
Pro.
So now, I don't know
Daisy
what these
chain.
switches do, but in theory... Ah, wrong. What's the middle one then? Oh, there is no middle. Oh, so it's one
It's
of these.
lefty loosey. Yeah.
I didn't know if there was
It's almost like a torque.
an above shot here.
The dust bag. It's still ratchet.
If you want to use your other... I can do this myself, because this tool is advanced.
This tool is advanced to the maximum.
That was sheer luck. Okay, here we go. The taping process. Let me make sure we have enough cable there.
We should, but will we? We don't know.
And the final screw of the fan is going back on.
It is going.
And now, the build is complete again. Which means now I can... Alright, so this one is installed. And now, the main panel, which will show off this glory of technology. And a lot of working to afford such things.
A lot of jobs.
If I don't die from mercury poisoning from this CFL by the end of the night, I'll be happy. But at the same time, sad because it could have been a cool way to die. No. Okay. Yeah. I guess I'll just use this switch here. Nice. We can see a little
interior
difference here. there's everything maxed, and then if I turned this off, you see the slight difference. Now before it starts Windows, I'm going to kill it.
Evil. You evil person.
Alright, well, anyway, thank you for watching Vitter Vlog number 4.